As winter approaches, it's time to elevate your cold weather style without breaking the bank. On today's video, I've curated a list of 10 of the best affordable winter style options that will have you looking sharp and feeling cozy. From coats to accessories, if you want to upgrade your winter wardrobe on the budget, I've got you covered. And of course, I'm gonna have a link in the description to all the value style picks we talk about in today's video if you wanna pick up one or two for yourself. Now, if you're new here, welcome, Jeff, your Style O.G. On this channel, we discuss various men's lifestyle topics such as style, grooming, and dating every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday at 4 p.m. Eastern. I invite you to subscribe, tap that notification bell, and join us. And to my returning friends like Daniel Francis, salute. Now, first up on the list, we're gonna start where every guy needs in his winter wardrobe, a winter coat. I really love this Banana Republic Factory hooded puffer. Now, this is a great choice because it effortlessly marries style and function. Its sleek design and superior insulation makes it an ideal choice for those cold weather months. And of course, the hood adds an extra layer of protection against the elements, enhancing this puffer's practicality. And it's crafted with an attention to detail. Its modern aesthetic elevates any winter outfit. It has a tailored fit that gives you a flattering silhouette without it being too snug and compromising comfort. And although this does have a lightweight feel, it still keeps you very warm. It's very adept at trapping heat and keeping you cozy. And it also comes in two great colors, navy and black. If you're looking for a great winter coat that keeps you warm and is stylish, grab this Banana Republic Factory hooded puffer for only 64 bucks. Now, next up, I have a great option to keep those feet fashionably warm during the cold weather months. You definitely want to check out these Timberland Mount Madison hiking boots. Now, these are a great combination of style, ruggedness, and durability, making them an excellent choice for a city commute or doing some winter hiking. The premium full-grain leather upper is of great quality, providing excellent durability and resistance against the elements. And the boots feature Timberland's exclusive anti-fatigue technology, designed to give you long-lasting support throughout your winter days. And the EVA midsole also does a great job of cushioning your feet as well. The Mount Madison boots showcase a versatile style, are durable, tough, rugged, and masculine, easily transitioning from trails to urban settings, and they'll only set you back 90 bucks. Now, next up, we have an affordable winter style item that I recently copped that I'll be rocking a lot the next few months. You definitely want to check out these Dickies loose, regular fit corduroys. Now, these corduroys from Dickies exemplify a perfect blend of comfort, style, and durability. These feature a loose, regular fit that do a great job of having you comfortable, warm, with a timeless, stylish silhouette. And of course, throughout cold weather months, to add a little bit of style and texture, corduroy definitely gets the job done, making these a great versatile choice in your casual to semi-casual occasion. And of course, the sturdy construction that you're used to from Dickies make these a reliable, durable choice that'll never go out of style and get you a lot of bang for your buck. And what I like about this loose fit is very on trend and it adds to your ease of movement. Very good for guys who prioritize style and comfort. Timeless and durable with a great loose regular fit, definitely can't go wrong with these Dickies loose regular fit corduroy pants. Now, next up, we have a great winter accessory that easily blends style and innovative technology. You definitely want to check out the Uniqlo Heat Tech ribbed beanie. Now, this ribbed beanie from Uniqlo goes beyond fashion, as it does a great job providing you comfort and warmth. And the rib texture adds a nice bit of aesthetic detail to it as well. And what sets this beanie apart is its ability to retain heat while remaining breathable. This is due to Uniqlo's Heat Tech technology, easily stopping the warmth from escaping from the head of yours. The snug fit and the stretched rib fabric offers a comfortable yet secure fit, making it work for a wide range of head sizes. We are talking about a timeless winter accessory that looks good on every guy and does an exceptional job of retaining warmth. You definitely want to grab yourself one or two Uniqlo Heat Tech ribbed beanies. Now, next up, we have what, in my opinion, is the go-to sweater for the coldest of months. You definitely want to grab yourself this Abercrombie turtleneck sweater. Now, this turtleneck sweater definitely represents Abercrombie & Fitch's new commitment to design and quality. It combines a classic silhouette with a modern design, making it a perfect choice for the cold weather months. It's an easy-fitting, cozy knit sweater. It has a classic fit and elevated stitching throughout. And I love that this Abercrombie turtleneck has excellent construction that emphasizes warmth and durability. This one will look good on you and keep you cozy throughout the winter. And of course, the turtleneck provides extra protection throughout the colder months, due to the folded up collar that protects your neck. This one looks great, keeps you cozy and warm, and comes in 3 excellent colors: brown, black, and cream. And it's only going to set you back around 55 bucks. Now, one of the most important techniques to keep warm and stylish during the cold weather is layering. And our next item definitely helps you do that. I highly recommend you check out this Hawk & Company Diamond Quilted Vest. This Diamond Quilted Vest does an excellent job of combining functionality and style. It's a great addition to any winter wardrobe, and I love the aesthetic appeal of the diamond quilted pattern. It boasts a lightweight feel, but don't let it fool you. It does an excellent job of keeping you insulated, making it an ideal choice for layering during the cold weather months. It has a great durable construction, and the tailored fit enhances its style, whether you wear it over a sweater or under a heavier coat. It effortlessly elevates any winter look, and as you can see here, it comes in a wide range of color choices. This Hawks & Company Diamond Quilted Vest is practical, it's stylish, and it's the perfect fit if you're looking to elevate your layered looks this winter. And on top of that, it's only going to set you back 20 bucks. Now, next up, we have another excellent wardrobe staple that easily combines style and warmth. I highly recommend this Old Navy cozy lined shacket. This hybrid jacket combines all the best qualities of a shirt and a jacket, making it an ideal choice for layering throughout the winter months. The cozy lining adds a layer of warmth without sacrificing style. It features a classic button-up front and comes in a wide range of colors. The relaxed fit ensures comfort and ease of movement, making it an excellent choice for various occasions. I'm talking anywhere from casual outings to laid-back weekends. It's soft and durable and is a great outer layer over a tee or under a heavier coat. Comfort, style, practicality, you can't go wrong with this Old Navy cozy lined shacket, and it's only going to set you back 25 bucks. Now, next up, we have a great finishing detail to your winter looks. One of the best affordable colognes. You definitely want to check out Cremo's Bourbon and Oak. Cremo's Bourbon and Oak is woody, it's warm, it's creamy, it has a great whiskey feel. It's sexy, seductive, masculine, and creamy. And it arrives at its great scent with a combination of a top note of spicy notes, mid notes of whiskey, and a base note of oak, all combined to give you this warm, woody, smooth, seductive scent. It's warm, it's dark, but it's not overpowering or obnoxious. And one of the things I really love about Cremo's Bourbon and Oak, it performs extremely well for its price range. What is that price range? It's only going to set you back around 23 bucks. So if you're looking for an excellent winter cologne that's spicy, boozy, with a hint of sweet, look no further than Cremo Bourbon and Oak. Now, next up, we have an essential cold weather accessory that every guy needs that effortlessly blends sophistication and practicality. You definitely want to grab yourself a pair of these Express black genuine leather gloves. These black leather gloves from Express not only provide a great stylish accessory, but they ensure durability and long-lasting wear. Black leather gloves are a timeless and versatile look, and these from Express offer a classic design. The supple leather gloves offer a snug fit on your hands without sacrificing comfort. These leather gloves are very versatile, ideal for a wide range of winter situations, suitable for both casual and formal settings. One of the great details about these gloves from Express, they feature touchscreen compatible pointer fingers, making for easy wear. Timeless, sophisticated, versatile, and durable, you can't go wrong with these Express black genuine leather gloves, and they're only going to set you back 29 bucks. Now, next up, we have a necessary and versatile style accessory that fits in every guy's winter wardrobe. You definitely want to check out this J. Crew Factory plaid scarf. This plaid scarf from J. Crew Factory adds a touch of personality and does an excellent job of keeping your neck and chest warm throughout the colder months. And the generous size of the scarf adds to its versatility. You can easily drape it over your coat or go for an intricate knot to add to the polish and aesthetics. And I love the neutral color pattern of the plaid, making you be able to wear it with a wide range of colors in your winter wardrobe. And the mid-weight feel does an excellent job of keeping you warm and insulated without being too heavy. It's not super bulky, making it suitable for everyday wear. Whether headed to the office or stepping out for a weekend stroll, this J. Crew Factory plaid scarf does an excellent job of giving you warmth, style, combining a classic design with modern practicality. And it's only going to set you back $14.50.